Wardrobe and clothing, fashion isn't as complex as people make it out to be, especially for those of us that are just everyday people, that are just looking to make our way in this world. I think people put on clothes just to get through the day. That scares me. I think everybody is thinking, I want to look decent. But some people just conclude that they don't and there's no help. And so they go in their closet and they put on just this cycle of everyday clothes that they go through week by week by week. And they offer nothing in the form of fit, confidence. It offers none of those things to those people who wear those things. And then people finally say, forget it. I don't care anymore. I'll just put some clothes on. There's so many things, and that's just to begin with. Hitting the right pitch in wardrobe, hitting the right note, hitting the right selection just helps the flow of the office so much. What's my body look like? Am I tall? Am I short? Am I thin? Am I wide? Am I thick, as they call it, as they say sometimes? Look at yourself in the mirror and get a pencil, or think about a pencil and outline your body type. Outline it and then take a step back and then look at it from a geometrical standpoint of view. Do you look like a square? Do you look like a parallelogram? Do you look like an apple? Do you look like a pear? Horizontal lines make things look wider. Vertical lines make things look taller. So you take some of those ideas and you apply it to where you are. If you are a shorter person, you can wear something a little bit more vertical, lengthens you out a little bit. If you're a wider person, you don't necessarily want to wear something that makes you look even wider, especially if your goal is to thin down a little bit. So maybe you wear the solids. Maybe the solids kind of cover things that you don't want to be seen. That's where body types come into play with picking your wardrobe. Everyone can wear solids. A lot of people should wear more plaids, more patterns. A lot of people should wear more stripes. There are just more options out there to fit your particular body type. And if you don't know it, if you've never thought about these things, that's again where I come in, and that's where I'd like to help you think from a different perspective. So if you're asking, does it cost a lot of money? The answer is no, of course not. I mean, I have a client that I shopped for last night and got 10 pieces for just over $100. It just takes time to go to where you need to go to get what you need to get. And a lot of people don't have that time, so they ask someone like me. If you have any questions, please email me below. Follow me on my social media accounts. Find me, ask questions. Let's connect. Let's start a conversation over a good drink, and let's go from there. Let's fine tune each other.